Hello everyone, Ahmed Rifat here, and today we got a big surprise. Okay, I'll let you know what the surprise is, by the way, in a few minutes. Okay, so what are you going to do is just we are going to do some commune trials, like one or two maybe. Like we need 180 tokens, so yeah, like one or two. It depends on the difficulty. Depends on the difficulty we like. This video will be interesting and this video will be rememberable. Okay, very memorable, hopefully. And okay, I got a few things is stashed up here. I'm gonna clean them up first. Okay, before I start everything. I'll just keep them here for now. I'll decide what to do later. Okay, so let's go to the commune trials. I'll let you know about the surprise in a few minutes. And by the way, let me know in the comment section if you can guess. Let's go. And my base was looking like a bit misty because of the mist condition I've activated on my base. Other than that, let's go to the commune trials. I'm really excited. I knew it would happen, but in a few months, but I didn't knew that I would be able to achieve it so early. I still can't believe it. Anyways, let's go. Let's see what's our task and we'll do it accordingly. We'll choose our tasks. We just need 188 points. That's it. That's our requirement for now. Okay, so I don't know which one to start with. Are you going to do the hard one or are you going to do the easy one? I think I'm going to do the fertility ritual or unity ritual. I don't know, I'm just puzzled up. Should I do the easy threes? I think I should go to the easy ones. Okay, just for the sake of the video, I'll do the hard one, the fertility ritual one. Okay, so let's go, I guess. I need to check my messages. Okay, okay, everything's fine now. Just put it here. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Oi, 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 oi. Oi. Just only 4 damage, dude. Get some strength, man. That guy, if he survived, would have broke my armor into pieces, man. I think we're done. This mission is done already. This one was easy. This one was easy, like I said. Though it didn't hit hard, but it was easy. Anyways, let's go to the next one. I'm just gonna choose my clocks for this round and change this. Okay, I know. Let's go. Let's do the last one. This one is easy. Just you must protect the DRNC. So easy. Just use kill them with the clocks. What? Where is the wolf? Where is the wolf, man? Where's the bears? Where are the bears? The bears are coming. The easy version is too easy, I guess. Now the crocs will come. Where's the crocs? Just one? This one is not even targeting me. This one is targeting the bear. So we are done. We are done with the commune trials and let's go. Let's collect our rewards and this is the thing that I want, the car batteries. Just buy, purchase it, and yeah, we are done here. Let's go back to our base. This was too easy. The commune trials, I don't know. As far as I remember, the commune trials hard mode was shouldn't be that easy, but it was. What can you do about it if it was? Um, let's go back to our base. We'll run from here, and yeah, we got two batteries. Okay, time for the reveal, the grand reveal. Let's go to our workbench room. Okay, this is our drone workbench room and the drone room. Basically, in this room, I usually do the recycles and the modifications for guns or the parts that are required for the modification of the guns. This is the room for that. And this is the thing. This is the thing. Okay. See, we're done with it. We're done with it. So this required a huge amount of grind. Like for these high-tech components, I know what I had to do. Last night I had almost recycled almost like 15 mobile phones. I haven't got any high-tech components from that. In the morning today, I just recycled one mobile phone and I got one from the recycler. I just needed one high-tech component as I had 19 before. These ones are easy transistors, you know how easy they are. Okay, the hydraulic parts are the twist. You cannot get the hydraulic parts without the killing the boss in the laboratory, like the sector A boss or the sector B boss. I had to kill them and flight controllers. I had to get 10 flight controllers as I can as much as I can remember that I had got the one flight controller from the delivery event which had took place a week ago, I guess. I got one from the delivery event and the other one is from the season pass. I had purchased the premium pass last season, so I had got one from there. And the other eight, I got all of them from killing the boss in the laboratory. Duct tapes are easy. Car batteries are also easy. I just cleared Bunker Bravo maybe once. I had got four from there, four car batteries from there just by clearing the floor three, and বাকিগুলো তো easy ছিল. Fiberglass, 40 fiberglasses are easy to make. It's not that hard. You just need to clear the sand quarry location 5 or 6 times. You can get it from there. You will get sands. You will craft those sands into glasses, and you will take those glasses to the port and use those glasses and aluminum ores and mix them up. Yeah, you'll be able to make those fiberglasses from the port. And why iron wares are easy as we can get it from the settlements as a daily loot, or you can collect it from the farm also. Aluminum cables are also easy. You just need some aluminum wires and some cables. These are also easy. This one's also easy. The hardest grind was for these flight controllers and for these high-tech components. I had to do a lot of things for that. Okay, we are done with all the talkings. Let's finalize our drone and docking station now. Let's do this. Oh, baby. It is done. I like the way it is beaming the lights on this drone. I'll just change the direction of the drone and is it like here? I don't think so. It is right. Just change it again. I think this one is okay. I cannot see the lights again, I guess. I really want to see the lights. Dude. Okay, the lights have turned off. Okay, drone is fully charged in the docking station. If I remove this mist weather condition, let's see how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. It looks kind of black. Okay, I'll just push the mist weather condition again. Since the mist weather condition looks pretty damn good on night, at night. Okay, we are done with this docking station build up. Oh yeah, and another thing is that the mission was New Heights, right? So this is the chapter for air support. The chapter was air support, and we have completed the first mission, New Heights, from this chapter. And we are going to complete one by one gradually. The next one is I have to clear the port maybe, which I'm going to upload a little bit later. The completing the port. Okay, I'm really excited for this journey. Okay, let's end the video here. I just want to call the drone just once, just to see how it looks. Can you do that? Let's bring our drone. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Does it move around us? It does. Where is it? I think it's stuck in the room. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. So fun. Taking the drone with us. Damn. Damn, man. Damn. Really excited for the drone. I still don't know about the futures of the drone. Like the features of the drone. I still don't know what I can do with it. I'm really excited for it. I'm really excited for the transport hub. I really want to go there and see what we can do in the transport hub. That's it. That's the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. See you in the next one as we are going to clear the port laboratory once again. It's stupid. This mission is kind of stupid. Since we had cleared the port laboratory quite a few times just to get the drones, and after getting the drone, you're giving us the mission to clear the port laboratory. It's rubbish. It's weird. Anyways, we're going to do it. We're going to complete this chapter very soon. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.